In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Google Calendar with HubSpot, a comprehensive integration guide that will help you smoothly connect these two powerful tools. Begin by heading over to app.hubspot.com and logging in with an account that has super admin permissions. If you don't have super admin status, just ensure your account can connect integrations. This will grant you the access you need to get the job done without any hitches. Once you're logged in, the next step is to access your calendar settings. To do this, look to the top right corner of your screen where you'll spot your profile picture. Click on it and select Settings. This will take you into a suite of options where we'll need to navigate further. On the left sidebar, you're going to want to move down to General and then click on Calendar. This is where we'll make magic happen as we start integrating your Google Calendar. Now it's time to connect your Google Calendar. Under Calendar Integration, there's a clear call to action that says Connect Calendar. Click on this and you'll be prompted to choose which calendar service you want to integrate. Go ahead and select Google/Gmail. A Google sign-in pop-up will appear. From there, just select the Google account you wish to connect. This step is crucial as it ties HubSpot to the calendar you rely on most, ensuring that all your events are seamlessly synced. Now, any integration of this magnitude requires certain permissions to function effectively. HubSpot will ask you to grant access to view, edit, and delete events, as well as send invites on your behalf. If you're connecting emails alongside your calendar, HubSpot will also need to access Gmail. Ensuring you click Allow when these permissions are requested is key for the full functionality of this integration. Once these permissions are granted, your Google Calendar should now be effectively connected to HubSpot. This means that meetings and important events you schedule in Google will appear in HubSpot and vice versa. It's a continuous sync that elevates time management and organization, helping you stay on top of your tasks and appointments more efficiently than ever before. This integration not only makes managing your calendar a breeze, but also enhances your productivity by ensuring that you are consistently updated on all tasks and meetings across both platforms. That wraps up our guide for today. Follow these steps and you'll have your Google Calendar and HubSpot integrated seamlessly in no time. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy syncing.